Okay, hi guys. So, I'm gonna do a little bit of this and that. You know what I do? Transition things. So, yeah. Wait, I said I wanted to go to the car. Not, to over here. This is close to the car, not where the car is. 1 second, I might be close this time. Closer, but not enough. Let's try over here. Hopefully it works. Yes. Finally got to my car.
What?
Doing a YouTube video. I know how to make any. I know how to make some. You want to learn? Okay. I'll explain it to you after. So now I'm going to do a little transition. Yes, I finally got in my car. Bye, guys. What?